Let's detect insider threats using Tines audit logs. To get started, you'll need a Tines API credential, an AI provider connected for our AI agent action, some of the other actions on our storyboard, and access to your Tines audit logs. Okay, let's take a quick look at the story itself. So on a 15-minute schedule, the flow is going to pull newly created stories from the Tines audit log. It'll explode these out into individual events and dedupe them just to cut down on any noise. For each story, it's going to actually check here whether it still exists. If it doesn't, that's definitely a signal worth investigating. When a story has disappeared, the flow pulls the deleted stories log just to confirm that deletion. It's going to match it back to the original story and then grab a report of that user's recent activity. An AI agent then summarizes this behavior, and a case is created here just so the security team can keep an eye on things and review it. So in parallel, the same schedule is actually going to kick off 2 more checks here straight from the audit log. One for hard deletion of an individual story, and one for hard deletion across all stories. It's a much more aggressive and more suspicious action. So altogether, this story is pretty much watching for 3 kinds of red flags. We've got soft deleted stories, individually hard deleted stories, and mass hard deletions. And for each one, it automatically builds context on the user behind it and escalates to a case. You can find this story and lots of others to get started with on the Tines Story Library.